Vocabulary list. Prepare. Unit 5. Crimes and criminals. Reflexive pronouns. Burglar. A burglar broke into our house last night. Burglary. The police are investigating a burglary at the museum. Hacker. A hacker stole my personal data from my laptop. Hacking. Hacking is a serious cybercrime. Pickpocket. A pickpocket stole her wallet on the bus. Pickpocketing. Pickpocketing is common in crowded places. Rob. Two men tried to rob the bank yesterday. Shoplifter. Shoplifter was caught on camera. Shoplifting. Shoplifting is a crime, even if the item is small. Steal. Don't steal, it's illegal and wrong. Theft. Car theft has increased in the city. Thief. The thief escaped through the window. Vandal. A vandal painted graffiti on the school wall. Vandalism. Myself. Yourself. Himself. Herself. Itself. Ourselves. Yourselves. Themselves. Each other.